Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about 7 habits for a healthy lifestyle that you can start incorporating into your daily routine. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is important for our overall well-being, and these habits can help prevent chronic diseases, boost immunity, and improve mental health. So let's dive in. Eating a balanced diet is crucial for optimal health. Focus on consuming whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Limit processed and sugary foods. Regular exercise can help you maintain a healthy weight, improve cardiovascular health, boost energy levels, and reduce stress. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, 5 times per week. Sleep is essential for physical and mental health. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Practice good sleep hygiene by establishing a regular sleep schedule, avoiding caffeine and electronic devices before bedtime, and creating a relaxing sleep environment. Chronic stress can have negative effects on physical and mental health. Practice stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, yoga, or regular exercise. Drinking enough water is essential for maintaining good health. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day and limit sugary drinks. Excessive alcohol consumption and smoking can have negative effects on health. If you drink alcohol, do so in moderation and avoid smoking. Social connections can help reduce stress and promote mental health. Make time for friends and family, join a social group, or volunteer in your community. Incorporating these habits into your daily routine can have a positive impact on your physical and mental health. Remember to start small and gradually build up to these habits to make them sustainable. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness content.